Right. Hello, Alana.
Hi.
How are you today?
So nervous.
Why? What are you doing?
Jumping out of a plane.
Who with?
My boyfriend Chris and our friend Jared.
What about this guy? Oh, this is Glenn. There he is. Very excited today.
Oh yeah.
You jumping out of the plane.
Oh yeah.
Why? Yes, here we are in Mission Beach, Australia. I'm Mike. Jared. We're going skydiving. How you feeling, mate? You ready for this? Anything you want to say to family and friends at home?
Sorry, Mom.
And we were passing time, getting high with the best friends, living life, eating right, learning lessons. Didn't need no struggle, we were good for life. We didn't need no place to rest our awfully burdened heads. Back then the air was fresh and we were good for life. We were just kids. We were just kids. We were just kids. It is what it is. We were good for life.
Holy halfway.
We were just kids. We were just kids. We were just kids. We were just kids. It is what it is. We were good for life. Let's go back and let's go back. Back in the day, all we ever wanted was the neighborhood thing. Big Mo slanging looses to the neighborhood gang. Like 4 for a dollar, 4 for a dollar. On a misdemeanor, the other one shipped off to Korea. Life gets tough, getting harder to see ya. They know I'm a holler, they know I'm a holler. We were passing time, getting high with the best friends, living life, eating right, learning lessons. Didn't need no struggle, we were good for life. We didn't need no place to rest our awfully burdened heads. Back then the air was fresh and we were good for life. We were just kids. We were just kids. We were just kids. It is what it is. We were good for life. We were just kids. We were just kids. We were just kids. It is what it is. We were good for life. And 'cause my days were made to get up in love, pushing pedals on the road under pelican suns, wishing I never would've moved out from that town, but it's done. It's done. Hey yo, the chain link fences tried to border me up. You got an ice cold soda, better order me one. And always tune your life to the beat of the drum. Before you're old and wise, gotta be young and dumb. And we were passing time, getting high with our best friends, living life, eating right, learning lessons. Didn't need no struggle, we were good for life. We didn't need no place to rest our awfully burdened heads. Back then the air was just kids. We were just kids. It is what it is. We were good for life. We were just kids. So we were just kids. It is what it is. We were good for life. We were just kids. We were just kids. We were just kids.
Look up to have an airplane. What do you reckon? Yeah, that's good fun, eh?
Oh, that was great.
Beautiful day for it.
Yeah.
Nice to get the location. Awesome. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thanks for jumping with me and this guy. Skydive Australia speaks. Yeah.
Skydiving, mate. Awesome.
Yeah, 2 row. Well,
Yeah.
here we are back on the beach, just like that.
Just like that. Oh, that was exciting.
Cool.
I don't have any words for that. Thank you so much.
Nice one.